Hi, today we'll learn how to sharp video in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video added to our timeline. If you would like to sharpen the video, you need to go to Effects tab. It is very important to open this option. And now on the search field, you need to type something like sharp. After that, you will see here blur and sharpen settings. And one from the option is sharp unsharp. We need to drag and drop this option to our video, and after that I recommend you to select this video, and here on Effects and Composition stack you can find Luma Horizontal Matrix and Luma Vertical Matrix and Luma Stretched. I recommend you to increase this value maybe to 7 and Luma Vertical Matrix to 7 too, and after that I will increase the Luma Stretch, for example to this one value. And how you see now our video is sharpened. You can see the effect here and compare it, for example, with this preview. Or if you will delete this effect, you can see that it was sharpened, yeah? So if I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.